Market analysis, Nifty's record highs, Fed impact, 5G auction insights, and expert strategies for today's market. In early action, GIFT Nifty is treading water, indicating a cautious start for benchmark Nifty. Nifty could tread water amidst hawkish Fed commentary, but we suspect bullish sentiments should keep the benchmark afloat. The next big catalysts: 1. The May US Personal Consumption and Expenditures (PCE) price index will be released this Friday, 28 June. This is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation that tracks consumer spending. 2. US GDP figures for March quarter will trickle in on Thursday, 27 June. 3. The Fed's Bowman and Cook and the ECB's Nagel will speak on Tuesday, 25 June. 4. The Fed's Barkin and Bowman are due to speak on Friday, 28 June. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1,175.91 crores, while DIIs were net sellers to tune of Rs 149.45 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. FANO June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX has shot up towards 14.31 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th June, is at 1.34 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 26 June, is at 1.64. Nifty outlook, Nifty may consolidate its gains. Nifty, CMP 23721. Key support on Nifty is placed only at 23,591 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,000 mark. Range for the day is between 23,600 and 23850. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 52606. Interweek support is placed at 52,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,500 mark. Range for the day is between 52,300 and 53,000. Bias for the day is neutral positive. In yesterday's trade, Nifty galloped and capitalized on improved risk-on sentiments and, most importantly, scaled a new all-time high at 23,754.15 mark. Bank Nifty stole the limelight and ended with a cherry on the top. The Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das has said that he is confident that India's growth will touch 7.2% in the current financial year. The RBI governor further added that the downside risks are weather-related events, geopolitical conflicts, fragmentation in global trades, fragmentation in capital flows. There are other challenges like heightened financial sector volatility. Volatility is likely to be high given the expiry of June derivative contracts on Thursday, 27 June. 5G spectrum auction, Indian private telecom operators placed bids worth over 11,000 crore rupees on the first day of the 5G spectrum auction, which saw 5 rounds of bidding. The bidding will resume on 26 June. The Indian government is selling airwaves worth 96,317.65 crore rupees.